I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make jelly eggs. First, gather your essential ingredients: 2 packets of unflavored gelatin, 1 cup of sugar, and 2 cups of water. You'll also need your chosen flavorings and food coloring. Prepare your molds, like plastic Easter eggs or silicone shapes, ensuring they are clean and lightly oiled for easy release. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Next, let's prepare the jelly mixture. Begin by blooming 2 packets of unflavored gelatin in 1/2 cup of cold water for about 5 minutes, allowing it to soften. In a separate saucepan, gently heat 1 1/2 cups of water with 1 cup of sugar until the sugar completely dissolves. Remove from heat, then stir in the bloomed gelatin until fully incorporated. Now, add your favorite flavorings and a few drops of food coloring for vibrant, delicious results. Now for the fun part, molding your jelly eggs. Carefully pour the warm, flavored jelly mixture into your prepared molds, filling them almost to the top. If using 2-part plastic eggs, snap them shut securely to prevent any leakage. Transfer the filled molds to the refrigerator and chill them for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally overnight, until they are completely firm. Once set, gently open the molds and release your perfectly formed jelly eggs. Finally, it's time to present your delightful jelly eggs. Arrange them artfully on a serving platter or nestle them in a decorative basket. For an extra touch, you can lightly dust them with granulated sugar to create a beautiful, sparkling effect. Don't hesitate to experiment with various fruit juice flavors, or even add small fruit pieces inside for unique variations. Store any uneaten jelly eggs in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.